Sorry, don't speak.
Why is everybody else going by themselves?
Oh, because there's only, you don't want to fit so many people. There's capacity limitations.
Oh, now we're going. Whoa!
Yeah. Did you see Uncle Ben's car?
We're going to San Francisco, guys. Every single car that you see. Oh my God, all the cars here.
Yeah, do you remember all these cars?
Well, look, you can, I can
Oh,
see
look
it.
at that one.
No, this camera can see it. It has two lenses.
Oh, it does? You got on both sides?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
You can see over there and you
Wow.
see here. If that goes down, Melissa's car.
Uncle Melissa's car.
If
Oh,
that
yeah, that's right. What happened?
goes down, we won't have
Oh, that's true. I think it's okay, though.
Look,
I'm watching it.
Look, go Melissa's car and my car. I watch it too.
Oh, yeah. Go Melissa's car?
And my car too.
Is that Go Melissa's car? I think she drove with Jufu.
Here's my car. What Tesla?
Yeah, our car's over there, huh?
That car is at, I think that's my car. Oh, that's my car too.
Yeah. Well, they fit a lot of people here.
That looks like a haunted house.
It does.